What's up, guys? I'm at a gun show actually right now, so I'm gonna just show you some of the cool stuff they got here. A ton of knives, but who would have thought? For all you crazy asses that want to make your own rounds, you can do so. I don't know if any of you Yu-Gi-Oh players are gun enthusiasts, but they've got all of the tips of the guns for you to be able to make your own rounds if you'd like. You can see that. Look at all that. Gun. Check all that shit out. Love the sound of empty shells. This gun show's pretty sweet. Old guns, new guns, all kinds of guns. This place is massive. This is just one of the showrooms. I decided to take you guys with me today. See, I've got an AK personally myself, so I'm actually looking for some more clips.
I've got 14.
That's pretty sweet. Nothing in particular really what I'm looking for. I'm just biding time. Some dude. I don't know what that is. Tricked out. It's a 22. Ugh. I wouldn't waste my money on that. Yeah, this is an old World War II era sword. Some accessories and whatnot. Sorry, my voice sounds all raspy because I've been sick these past 3 days. I don't know if any of you guys are hunting enthusiasts. This is what I'm looking for, is a pistol. No revolvers, I want a 45. See, this isn't bad. It's a Tauros model 1911.
Checking with these, I guess just no. Whatever one about.
No, we got the last one. Okay, you want to look up that one?
The new Remingtons.
Is that one that I had out a second ago, or
Yeah, we had two of them.
did the zip tie and all that?
Yeah, they both sick.
Yeah.
The mags on the loader.
I hate the loader.
Safety. Remingtons are pretty new to the 1911 scene, so those are really nice. Got that it's not normal wood grain, that's actually it's like petrified wood.
Did you use the top part?
Yes.
It's been a while since I did one.
It's not a bad price, actually. M16 style AR-15.
Oh, you're saying
They took the buttstock off of this AK. Look how short that is. It shoots 223s though. Doesn't shoot the 7.62 by 3.9.
maybe you're gonna have to fill all those holsters.
I don't know if I like that.
Thanks for doing that, man. I appreciate that. I ain't gonna do nothing.
Yeah, more shells. Actually, these are all bullets. These are all friggin' bullets. These are all for like pistols and whatnot. Now we're just walking. Walking. Let's see what else they got. Waiting for my uncle actually. He wanted to come in here and buy some rounds for his AK. Yeah, you can customize the grips on your guns. It's pretty sweet. I like that. That's pretty badass. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. That's cool. 45 Springfield armor. Look at the price on it. Whoa. For all you tactical dudes out there. Just because you play COD, it doesn't make you a weapons expert. These are all AK accessories. A tri-rail. I need that for my AK. It goes on my, what is it? The dust something. It goes on top of the AK. Old ass rifles. I'm really dragging this video out too. Some lever action.
Pretty good round.
Another AR-15. It doesn't have the sight on it. More ammo. I'm actually going to buy some ammo. It's the ammo I get. Right here. 7.62 by 3.9. It's for my AK. I'll end up getting a couple boxes. If not, I'll get the hollow points, which are right here. 124 grain hollow point. I'll get those before I leave. Some really cool old knives, like Case. I don't know if you guys know anything about Case. They stopped making them a long time ago. See, I had one similar to this one right here, this exact one. It's expensive nowadays. I got it for Christmas one year. I totally lost it. It's like 35 bucks. But I enjoy showing you guys around here where I live. This gun show comes once every 4 months or so. Something a little bit different than Yu-Gi-Oh! You get some random salespeople. I don't know what they're trying to sell, but I don't want any. So yeah, right there where it got cut off, I actually was told by one of the vendors that I couldn't record anymore. So I went ahead and did it. So I didn't want to, I didn't want to get kicked out or anything like that. But it was really fun, except for that one woman. But hope you guys enjoyed the footage. It was pretty much a sum up of what I did today. I enjoy going to these conventions because I do like I am a gun enthusiast. I live in Texas, so I am a gun enthusiast. As you've seen in my previous videos, I've got like an AK, I've got a shotgun, several different types of guns. So like my AK, I don't know if you can see it. It's right over there, right below my tarantula. Thumbs up if you guys want to see a video of my tarantula. I feed it once a week. Grasshoppers, crickets, stuff like that. Usually, things like that I find. If on occasion, I'll find a roach, and I'll entrap it, and I will feed it to my tarantula because I can't stand roaches. Sorry for my get up. I just got out of the shower. I don't have my mohawk up. I've been sick these past few days. Just a lot of different things. It's been terrible. But the convention was awesome. There's going to be another one in October, so I'll be going to that. And I've been planning on saving up some money so I can get me a 45. I want a 1911 45, preferably like a Colt, maybe a Kimber, or a a Springfield Armory. That'd be like, that'd be pretty badass. If not an AR-15, because AR-15s are really nice. They got more, they're more precise than the AK-47s, which have more power. But that was pretty much, everything that I did today. Besides hang out with like my family and my cousins that got to come over because they enjoyed hanging out with me and stuff like that. So yeah. I guess until next time, guys, make sure to follow me on Twitter. I've been hitting up some people on Twitter lately, playing some Modern Warfare 3. I got my setup right there, PlayStation 3 and Xbox. So if you guys want to play Modern Warfare 3 with me, shout out to David, Alan Dave on Twitter. He follows me, and he's always keeping me informed. Like he was just keeping me informed with what's happening with Worlds and stuff, and how Pro Winston, it sucks that he lost. I really wanted America to, really get up in there. Inzectors at, 6 Inzectors in top 8, that's ridiculous. I didn't think Inzectors would, have it out, especially with, like, Dino Rabbits winning a lot of different things and, Chaos Dragons being cheap and abundant. But that's pretty badass. I don't know the finals of what won, who won, but I'll probably end up finding out here sooner or later. I keep hearing a lot of different things about the ban list as well, which I probably need to do some more research and get on it and see if it's send me a PM, of a link if they already released the ban list. If not, just kind of keep me updated because I've got a lot of work and stuff, doing and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, Instagram. I post a whole mess of stuff on Instagram, from how my mohawk looks, My mohawk's easy to maintain. If any of you guys are, interested in having a mohawk right now, it looks a little bit awkward. Almost looks like an emo flap in a way. Not really. Kind of, yeah, it is. But when it's up, it's like fucking badass. I'll probably put a picture on here of what my mohawk looks like. Right there. And, so yeah, so you can see what it looks like whenever it is up. Because I'm pretty sure you guys care about that. I don't know. Maybe you guys want a mohawk. I never knew how to approach it. I'm just saying. So yeah. Till next time, guys. Rate, comment, subscribe. Thumbs up if you want to see a video of my tarantula over there. It's a huge ass, hairy ass beast. And peace.